Uh, oh, I'm live. Hey, hello, you guys. Welcome to today's stream. And today, as we remember, we are starting with language overview. So, it's basically like a small revision of all the topics that we have done. And I think it's actually good because we are at a point where we know basically all the topics of JavaScript except the event loop, which is an advanced concept. But like the most important topics are known to us and how it works basically. So it's good to have a general overview of stuff um, that we have done, and then we will move forward uh, with. So I guess this is the page. Yeah. So we we did learn about data type, number, begin. Uh, yes, that's why we need this refresher because like it's in the intermediate section. I think that's why they have put this refresher because there are some things people might forget and like so they could just go and see whatever's written about that topic. Yeah, begin. And okay, that's how we use the okay, good. Um, and we can get refresh. So objects, function array data, date, regex error, numbers, number literals. Okay, pass and flash. We'll go quickly through this because we have already done this in past 22 days. So it's it's not an easy job. But I think this whole series will get over in less than a month, and actually that's very good amount of time that one must spend while learning a new language. Like properly, if you can easily learn a new language, basic syntax of like for loops or anything in just uh, 1 or 2 hours, but to learn a language or the inner features and all that, I think uh, like 15 days is enough. And if you want to do it properly, then I think a month is. Uh, so numbers, other types, return, undefined, variables, const, let, var, okay, operators, all the operators, we know the operators. And operators are almost in all the language they are same. The modern languages, so grammar identifiers, comments, semicolons are control structures, if else loop and all that, for loop, switch, try catch, function if, try catch, objects. Um, so like dictionaries in Python, hashes in Perl or Ruby. And so we this is how you create an object. Uh, if you want to add values into the object, uh, calling in the prompt, nested objects of objects that take in function, uh, like objects as functional arguments. I'm sorry for that. Um, arrays, length, type of undefined. Okay, because it does not exist array of 98, so therefore it's undefined. Um, array push for pushing a new value, for loop, I'm sorry. I'm actually very sorry. Um, for offload. What's happening? Suddenly, like I am tired. It's not that I am not tired because uh, doing the stream at the end of my day, I obviously have a lot of work from my job, like internship, and then I also uh, go to the gym and take care of my health. So, like I'm trying to get back to my original like shape before going out. So obviously, yeah, um, like and then on top of that, like a lot of my time goes there. Then on top of that, to manage everything in a particular time frame, it's hard. But obviously, so that's the situation. Therefore, I'm a bit tired, but yeah, I hope I'm not triggering anyone and making them as like yawn as a adding of multiple values. Now, as there is no overloaded function for 4, therefore 4 was ignored. And returning return height, passing in an argument as a function, default value, asynchronous functions. There's nothing asynchronous about this. Anonymous, oh sorry, anonymous. Cool. Yeah. Function. Yeah, this function is anonymous. The value it returns. Cool, cool, cool. Recursive function inside a function. Basically, a function calling the function inside a function. So char and dolly, and I think it must be called somewhere. Yeah. So count chars and count chars. Okay. Counter and counter. They are naming the value of recursive function. Functions are first. JavaScript functions are first class objects. This means they can be assigned to variables and passed in as arguments. Yeah. Inner functions, so function inside a function. And um, class constructor, um, function of inner class, and the class method basically. And uh, class inside a function, asynchronous programming, set timeout, callback based, promise based, and asynchronous, which is a syntactical sugar on promise. So it's nothing different from promises. Fs clear file, if error, throw error, console log. Yeah, so the whole language specified focus on pure computational logic, and that's what we are here to learn. It doesn't deal with that, but in fact, without extra runtime. One further expression display of it. Yeah, so we did inheritance, we did closures, we did regular expression iteration. I guess, yeah, so I guess, uh, should we start data? Okay, so should we start JavaScript data structures? Um, because this topic was basically a revision, so it does not had a lot of meat in it, basically. So, but actually. It's not a big article. 110 minutes. These are actually small topics, and closures will come. So I think tomorrow we'll do these two, and today I'll end it in 10 minutes only. Actually, I don't want to end it in 10 minutes because my minimum set limit ideally was 20 minutes, and but I think that's for the best because these two will be completed together, and then we can take one day for closures, and I guess taking one day each for all these topics will complete the whole series in a month. We can so and most of the like all our concepts will be done till now. I'll see if I want to do references or not. If you are watching, like you can like comment out if you want to see me doing references or not. Um, because references I'll go as quickly as I can because like how we did today's session because if we find something that's we haven't done already then we'll add a time like we do, but if we find something that we have already done, we won't like array for array buffer we might do it properly because we don't know anything about it. Has actually a lot of stuff that we don't know, so we can do references. It's actually very big. Uh, the series will never get over if I uh, do this. And references are not like they have some topics that are actually very useful. So I wouldn't deny that these are like some meaty topics, but um, okay, let's end today here, and tomorrow we'll come to this, and then we'll do closures. So 2 days and 2 days, and I guess 5 days, so 7 days. So today's like so 1 month actually, and in 1 month we'll complete the whole JavaScript series. But then we'll come on to JavaScript references and we'll do this. Uh, like we'll skip out stuff that we have already done and we'll go into topics that uh, we want to do properly. So, uh, no one joined today. Okay, cool. If anybody is watching like just today's video, because from analytics I know that sometimes it happens that uh, um, like people watch one or two videos in between. So today's video was very short because and I skipped a lot of things because and went like very fast forward way because we have already done all these topics and um, uh, and as we have done that in last 23 days, it does not matter if like a whole big set of like uh, fully done revision does not make any sense. But most of the topics, if you go from the beginner, like complete beginner JavaScript, right, and come, you will find that these topics are already done. So that's why. That's what's the video. Cool. Anybody who is watching it later on, thanks for watching. Oh, I guess someone did join and you were like, uh, thanks, thank you. Bye bye.